Alright, so what are we missing? Our bottles. Not sure if I'm going to use both of them. I'll just grab one here. Here is just going to kind of go around the edges. Okay, so this one I wanted right about there. Royal icing. So as soon as you touch the chocolate, it gets all over your hands, so you have to be careful not to actually touch it to the cake, or you're going to get that, you know, black chocolate. It's not fun. So I'll put a little up here. It's going to touch the cake there, and a little down here. So I touched the bottle there, so I'm just going to blend that in a little bit. Okay, I have the other one. I don't think I want to use it. Actually, it might balance it out pretty well on this side. Sometimes you have to kind of stand back, take a look at it. You know, some things you tend on using, maybe you won't. That actually looked good standing up there, which would be right about here. Kind of balance it out a little bit. So I'll go ahead and paint that one also. Okay, the last thing I need, or one of the last things, is the writing on the bottle. So let me wash my hands and get the royal icing out. Okay, even though the bottle is going down like this and it's really not going to make sense to write this way, I want to write Happy New Year. I was going to write Happy here and New Year on this one. So I am just going to write Happy, you know, facing this way. So I've just got some royal icing. This is a tip number 3. Okay, and then on this one we'll write New Year. Okay, and then what I want to do is just take a few, just since the ball theme, just so the base isn't so plain, just take a few, and we will actually just place a little water underneath, or this is the paint. So I'll go ahead and use that to kind of stick it on there, and then paint a few of these silver. I'm not going to go all the way around, I just want some little groupings. Maybe one right next to it. And we'll put a gold one on top, so we'll put a white one up there and then I'll paint that gold.